Greetings, uh, Latin students. This is Mr. Turkelson. Um, this is a video I made last night because a couple of kids, at least, said that they didn't get this. So I am here to show you how to do this now. Let's see. Here's exercise 10D over on the right here, and on the left down here. So I'm going to do the first three for you, walk you through this, and then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 should be quite easy thereafter, I think. Now, as I said yesterday in an email, one thing to notice is these right here. These are irregular forms. These are, it says right there, some of which some forms are irregular. So these are kind of exceptions to the rule that is given right here. So this is the rule, and these are some exceptions to the rule. These are positive commands, both singular and plural. Singular meaning you're giving a command to one person, plural meaning you're giving a command to more than one person. And negative commands, singular and plural here as well. Do this, both of you. Don't do this, both of you. So, 10D asks you to give the imperative form singular and plural, positive and negative. So there should be 4 forms for each one of these. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then translate each form that you give. And I don't think that should be hard. These are basically very straightforward, very easy as regards just commands. Do this, don't do this. Doesn't get much easier than that, I hope. So let's start with pono ponere. Now again, ponere here is a short E, not a long E, so this shows you that this is from the third conjugation. It does not have that long E like sedere does here. So we use this one here for pono ponere. So simply put, for the singular commands, we use the letter E, and for the plural commands, ITE. So we'll get rid of those first. Pone means put to one person, and ponete means put to more than one. And then negative commands just use either noli with an infinitive or nolite with the same infinitive, singular or plural. Now this sort of corresponds to singular here and plural here. It's just that the singular and plural goes on this noli. Noli means, as it says here, literally be unwilling to throw it, but we're just going to say don't throw it. Some of those parking spaces in Boston say don't even think about parking here. It's kind of like that. Don't be willing to park here, but really we're just going to say don't park here. So noli for singular, nolite for plural. So here we go. Noli ponere. Don't put. Oops. Don't put to one person. And nolite ponere. Don't put to more than one person. It's that simple. Now, ferro ferre is one of the irregular forms here. It is the exception to the rule. And both of the positive commands are given right there. Fer and ferte. So singular and plural. If you're telling one person to bring something, you can say fer. Fer aquam, bring water. And you may remember this. Ferte auxilium was yelled by the kids when the wolf was in the forest. So ferte auxilium was a command expressed to more than one person right there. So let's get those out of the way first. Fair. Bring to one person. And then ferte. Bring to more than one. Now, the negatives are really the same format as regular verbs. It's just that fere is kind of an unusual infinitive, but it's still an infinitive. So here we just we say noli fere. Don't bring. To one. And oops. nolite fere. Don't bring two more than one. Sedio sedere, to sit. It's just back to the same formula as pono ponere was, but now we are in second conjugation right here. Habere, the same conjugation as sedere. So here, again, sede. Now that is a long mark, so I'm going to make that long, which you may not be able to do. Sit. I'm going to leave out the to one and to more after the at this point. Sedete. Sit, with the understanding that that's to more than one person. And here, noli sedere and nolite sedere. And these are both don't sit, whether to one or more than one person. So that's it. Um, these are fairly easy to follow. First, second, and fourth. Again, ate, ate, ite. This one, third conjugation, a little different. Mite or yake, but ite, a and ite. But all of them use noli and nolite with infinitives to express negative commands. That's it. Hope this helps.